One day, Coco the cat found a big, crunchy carrot. "Choo-Choo! Time for a carrot adventure!" she cheered. She hopped into her bright yellow sea train, with the letter C proudly painted on the side. Coco chugged through the countryside, delivering carrots to her bunny friends. "C for cat, C for carrot, C for Choo-Choo," she giggled. As the train rolled on, she saw cows, clouds, and a cheerful crowd waving. What a colorful day! Coco smiled. The journey ended with a delicious carrot feast. "C is for caring and sharing," Coco purred.
Sing along with